Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the search function in Slack to find messages, files, and people instantly, no matter how buried they are in your workspace history. Step 1. Locate the search bar. The search bar is your primary tool for navigating through months or years of conversation data. Click the search bar at the very top of your Slack window or use the shortcut Ctrl-G on Windows or Command-G on Mac. As soon as you click, Slack will show you recent searches and suggested files. If you only need to search the specific channel you are currently in, use Ctrl-F or Command-F to narrow the scope automatically to just that conversation. Step 2. Apply filters to narrow results. Searching a single keyword can often bring up hundreds of results. Filters allow you to shrink the haystack by adding context. Once you type your keyword and hit Enter, look at the tabs at the top: Messages, Files, Channels, or People. Underneath these tabs, use the drop-down filters to specify who sent it, the From filter, where it was sent, the In filter, and when it was sent, the Date filter. For example, if you're looking for an image from your boss, you would filter by their name under the People tab and select Images under the File type. Step 3. Use search modifiers for precision. For advanced users, you can type specific tags along with your search term to skip the clicking and get straight to the data. Type specific tags along with your search term to refine the results instantly. From @username only shows results from a specific person. In @channel name limits the search to one specific channel. After 2025-01-01 finds things shared only after a certain date. Has* shows only the items you previously starred or saved for later. Exact phrase use quotation marks like Project Alpha to find that exact wording rather than just any message containing both words. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.